My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches.
What the hell?
Size 8.
Yeah, I got one. No way, I got 2 on BNB. Yep, third one.
Nice.
Another one. 4th. All size 9. It says I can't even talk. I think I got it, guys.
Oh, shit. Nice.
Finally got one. Oh, got my second one. Got 3. Alright, that's it. That's it for me.
Look, dude. Look. Boom, 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 boom. Sold out. I think these were like limited.
They released two pairs.
Right? We have New Balances coming up, but I'm not going too hard for these because I'm not sure about the resale value. These are going to be very limited. But the other New Balances that I copped took a little while to sell, so hopefully I don't get too many. If I do end up copping, maybe I'll go for 1 or 2, but that's about it. I'm not going too hard on these New Balances. Oh, I got one. Yeah, I got one. Wait, I got 2. I'm gonna try to get a size 8 on these. Got a 3rd. Got a 4th. I'm getting too many. I'm gonna stop. Got a 5th. Okay, interesting. Are these bricks? That drop went quite well. I ended up getting 5. I got more than I wanted to get, but there's a chance that I might regret stopping my tasks in the event in which these end up going for the high. Anyways, I am gonna go to Stadium Goods today. I think I know what shoes I'm gonna drop off over there. Travis Scott's are going to be dropping in about 10 minutes. I did get a W on Frenzy, the last episode using Shark Frenzy. However, I am going to be running 3 instances of Pseudo Frenzy and our setup is looking freaking crazy right now. So if I'm not able to cook, then I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, wait for it. Didn't do anything on mine. Oh, my shirt. I don't know what happened to my shirt, friends. Nothing happened. Oh, shoot. Makes no sense. You got him, dude!
Something, an arrow could.
Oh my gosh, dude. that's one. We secured one. Not sure if I did something wrong, yo. Shark friends are usually like, they're on it, but yeah, I must have done something wrong. We got one. That's crazy. All right, let's go for more.
Getting like spinning circle of death, like I can't enter some accounts. How many entries did there?
14.
14. I did 1, 2, 3, 9 entries. Me and Joy did like 25 entries total manually. Oh, 26. She said 26 total. Man, if we don't cop at least one from Nike sneakers, I'd be very surprised. Second L for me. Third L.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 L's so far.
Damn,
Out of my
that's crazy.
14. I mean 15.
L, another
Another
L.
L.
I got 3 left.
I have 4 left. Yes.
That's crazy. How many accounts?
No, I didn't get a single one.
Yo, you didn't get a single one.
What the fuck? That was quick. Oh!
Got it.
Another one. What about this one?
Alright, I'm gonna be trying to go for some Hot Wheels. These are selling for over $150 on eBay, and they should retail for around $30 to $40 if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong on that, but I will be trying to go for these using a bot. Let's do it. As you can tell, recently I've been going for limited items outside of sneakers and streetwear, such as this Hot Wheels release, and there is quite a lot of money to be made from these. Some people have been asking me where I get this information from for non-sneaker related reselling opportunities, such as the coins and the Hot Wheels and other collectibles that can flip for good profits. All of my information from these releases come from our sponsor for today's video, Deals and Steals. This is a reselling group that is focused on non-sneaker related items, and the good thing about this is that these items are much easier to get because there is a lot less competition to get these, as opposed to the sneaker releases where it seems like it's you versus the entire world. From my experience, these releases take a lot less work, a lot less resources, and I have a much higher success rate. And most of the time, it brings in huge profits. So if you want to try to resell limited items other than sneakers and make some serious cash, this group is the one for you. Not only can you make money, but you can save a lot of money for everyday expenses. They have dedicated staff members that scour the internet for unbelievable discounts, price errors, items to resell, and even free stuff. They offer all of this and much more. Deals and Steals will be restocking limited membership slots on December 14, 2019. These guys' membership slots are extremely limited to keep the information exclusive and to minimize the competition amongst fellow group members. So I'm expecting membership slots to sell out very fast, and I'm expecting them to stay sold out for a while, being that the members to success ratio is very high. So if you're a reseller and you want to expand your products beyond sneakers, I would definitely try to get in on this opportunity. They're also giving away a monthly membership to 3 lucky winners. Totally free to participate, so check out the description of the video for more details on that. onto the episode. Here is an update on some of the items that sold during the past week. So I was able to sell 2 Hot Wheels as pre-orders, and I was able to sell 2 Converse. Nothing too crazy. And then on Stadium Goods, I was able to sell 2 shoes, 1 Travis Scott and 1 Yeezy. The profit chart is on the screen right now. Regarding the Travis Scott sale, this price is actually quite high relative to the market price. However, I should have 1 more pair of Travis Scotts coming in, and those I'm probably going to hold just to see what happens. I got a bunch of shoes in, so I'm gonna open all of them up first, and then I'll show you guys what's inside. First up, we got Yeezy 500s in a size 5.5. Then 2 of the New Balances came in. This box is it. That color is sick, and it's no wonder why these are selling for so much. During my live cop, I stopped my tasks after I copped 5. I should have definitely kept it going. Also came with an extra set of laces. One of my checkouts actually got canceled, so unfortunately I'm down to 4. Hopefully they will ship out the rest of them. One is a size 7 and the other one is a size 9.5. Up next, Travis Scott Air Force Ones, size 11. This is my second pair, so I am quite happy about that. So tomorrow we got some fire releases. We have some Yeezys coming out, we got some Jordans coming out, and then we have the G-Dragon X Air Force Ones coming out. Now those are fire. And I think that all the K-pop fans are just gonna drive those prices all the way to the moon. So are we gonna cop? We'll find out on the next episode.